Brothers, this phone runs smoothly at 120. Really good for gaming, it just takes off. At $2,599, I got the lowest spec of the Redmi K80 Supreme Edition, and many friends want me to see how this phone performs in gaming. So, it was launched yesterday, and it arrived today. The delivery was super fast. First, let's take a look at the appearance and configuration.
Regarding the screen, it is a 6.83-inch flat display with a resolution of 2772 by 1280 and a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz.
Metal frame, fiberglass back cover.
This one is called Moonrock White. This. Very smooth. And to the touch, it doesn't leave any fingerprints at all. It's square-shaped, let's say.
Feeling energetic now.
Then there's the ultrasonic under-display fingerprint recognition. In terms of performance, it is equipped with a Dimensity 9004 Plus processor. Mine here is 12 plus 256 with a 7,410 milliamp hour battery and 100-watt charging. In beast mode, I scored 2,760,000 points, surpassing 94% of users.
In terms of gaming, HDR goes up to 90, smoothness reaches 120, and we play smoothly at 120.
Remember to turn on the turbo mode, and in the touch enhancement settings, set the ultra-high sensitivity to the maximum. Room temperature is 25.3 degrees, battery is at 89%. Let's start directly. Check out the line at this real location.
Female player, you reveal it.
Alright. Place of birth, I'm shaking a bit like this, and for now it's fine. The birthplace fluctuated a bit, but I don't need to say much. Everything is normal. Let's take a look. There are 21 people, and the number is still increasing. 24 people, a total of 27 people. Guys.
Okay guys, we'll just play for 52 minutes. The phone's temperature reached 46 degrees. The battery is at 74% with a 15% consumption.
And take a look at the truth shot, averaging 117.8. We're also direct. Recorded for 52 minutes, and we played 3 matches. The first was a jungle match, the second had 12 people in the main area, and the third had 27 people in the main area.
I don't need to say much about this frame rate, right? It's a straight line, very stable. We can say we played for about an hour. And for PUBG, this smooth 120 frames per second is just like flying. The gameplay feels very responsive too. Then if you're thinking about buying this phone and you say you want it for gaming, you can totally consider it.